Are you already in the Christmas mood? After watching today's video, you'll know some basic Polish Christmas vocabulary and you'll be able to sing Silent Night in Polish. Are you ready? Let's begin. First things first. How do we say Christmas in Polish? Well, probably that will be the most difficult part of today's lesson, but don't worry, it will get easier on the way. So, are you ready? Officially, it's Święta Bożego Narodzenia. Święta Bożego Narodzenia. Święta Bożego Narodzenia. But this is too long even for us, so we usually say Boże Narodzenie, Boże Narodzenie, or simply Święta, which means holidays. The holidays. Everybody knows which holidays we're talking about. Święta. Alright, so once we're at it, we call Christmas Eve Wigilia Bożego Narodzenia. Wigilia Bożego Narodzenia, or simply Wigilia. Wigilia, this is when we have our Christmas dinner, the very important Christmas celebrations. The Christmas day is pierwszy dzień świąt. Pierwszy dzień świąt. The first day of the holidays. Pierwszy. Pierwszy dzień świąt. And the Boxing Day naturally is drugi dzień świąt. The second day of the holidays. Drugi dzień świąt. So we have Wigilia, pierwszy dzień świąt and drugi dzień świąt. At the beginning of Wigilia, we have this very special Polish tradition of sharing the wafer, which we call opłatek. Opłatek. We walk around, we chip off bits and pieces of this wafer, opłatek, and we share it with each other, giving our best wishes to each other. And how do you say Merry Christmas in Polish? Wesołych świąt. Wesołych świąt. Wesołych świąt. Of course, we have our choinka, choinka, Christmas tree, decorated with bombki, bombki, Christmas baubles. By the way, did you know that Poland was one of the biggest producers of Christmas baubles? And underneath the choinka, we have prezenty, prezenty, presents brought to us by Święty Mikołaj. Święty Mikołaj. Święty Mikołaj. And what's the best Christmas present ever? I think I have it here. If you don't have a clue, here's my tip. Visiting Poland. That's right. I hope I will see you here in Poland next year. On Christmas Eve at midnight, we usually go to one of the many beautiful churches in Poland to attend pasterka, the midnight mass. And we sing kolendy together, kolendy, Christmas carols. Listening to all these beautiful Christmas carols in Polish is enough of a reason to visit Poland at Christmas time. We love singing kolendy, and the vast majority of Polish families sing them at the Christmas table. Well, how about you surprise your family by singing Silent Night in Polish this year? Well, perhaps it is not a Polish carol, but it's been sung in Polish since the 1930s. It's beautiful, It's universal and you already know the tune. Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Repeat after me. Cicha noc, święta noc. Silent night, holy night. Cicha noc, święta noc. Cicha noc, święta noc. Pokój niesie ludziom wszem. Pokój is peace. Pokój niesie ludziom wszem. It brings peace to everyone. Pokój niesie ludziom wszem. A u żłóbka Matka Święta. A u żłóbka Matka Święta. Żłóbek means manger. Matka is mother. A u żłóbka Matka Święta. Czuwa sama uśmiechnięta. Czuwa sama uśmiechnięta. So she is keeping vigil on her own with a smile on her face. Czuwa sama uśmiechnięta nad dzieciątka snem. Nad dzieciątka snem. Dzieciątko is a little baby, so the little baby Jesus. She is watching over the little baby Jesus asleep. Nad dzieciątka snem. Okay, let's repeat the whole thing together now. Cicha noc, święta noc. Pokój niesie ludziom wszem. A u żłóbka Matka Święta czuwa sama uśmiechnięta nad dzieciątka snem. Nad dzieciątka snem. I think we are ready to sing it together. Let's do it. Cicha noc, święta noc, pokój niesie ludziom wszem, a u żłóbka Matka Święta czuwa sama uśmiechnięta nad dzieciątka snem. Nad dzieciątka snem. There we go. Silent night in Polish. All right. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for learning with me. And I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Wesołych świąt to you all.